Good evening, everybody. Adab, Namaste, Salam, Sat Shri Akal. We are at the river Ram Ganga right now, the river of gold, Golden Mahasir, resides within the peripheries of this river. We are here for me and Yadwinder. Both are biologists come filmmakers, and here we are with our lenses and cameras and equipments to shoot the birds. A documentary we are shooting for the London Bird Fair, the biggest bird fair in the world. So Yadwinder with me, he is helping me out with all the stuff, and till now we have shoot almost 50 to 60 odd bird
50 to
species.
60.
Yeah, bird odd species and all. We just shoot like randomly we are shooting, and we found really amazing footage of the birds. It's one of the best first experience with the birds we are doing for the filming, I think. So at Ram Ganga, this very spot, I have seen a river otter, and me and Yadwinder together, we've been working on many documentaries, music videos, weddings, shoots, and things like that, like every other filmmaker out doing the same thing. But apart of that, this being biologist, we think this is the first priority of ours to keep on working on wildlife, especially Uttarakhand, around India or somewhere. This particular documentary gives us a chance to shoot in the Uttarakhand region, especially Ram Ganga region, for the bird diversity. And yeah, as we see, this is a small kingfisher sitting in front of us, and I am such, having a curve. Oh yeah, it's gone. We lost. Anyways, so till now, doing this bird thing, we have documented many mammals, also wild mammals, those elusive guys which we never seen them before, or we had just a small glimpse of them. But this time we really did a massive shooting, and we got a heavy footage with a lot of natural behavior of these animals. So yeah, a part of it. Yadwinder, how you feel about this whole trip, sudden trip? I just called you up and he just showed up without any questions. I'm not even paying him much or anything for the shooting, just peanuts. And we are hoping this documentary would end up very nicely, because next month we are supposed to start something with BBC also. So let's see if this thing would work, and that thing will open more ways for us. Yeah.
Actually, in starting, I was worried about the thing to shoot in such a wild place.
Yeah.
But when I think about you, that you are with me, then I got confidence. So it is really a wonderful place. You can see behind me. It's just like a heaven on earth.
It is heaven, yes. A place called One Ghat. It's not far from Ramnagar, about 40 kilometers till a place called Marshula. And from there you have to walk 2 or 3 kilometers to be on this place called One Ghat. And thanks to Mr. Sumantha Ghosh, the owner of this place, who asked me to do this shoot, and then his welcoming staff and warm-hearted people, they are letting us cover all these beautiful creatures flying all over. And this is, I think, an amazing experience, especially working with you. Yadwinder is always wonderful. We have, to the viewers, we want to say, me and Yadwinder have done how many documentaries till now? 5 or 4 documentaries together.
Yes.
Short documentaries and other things, film shoots and all. But this is ending up into wonderful experience. A lot of tracking involved. I think if we have odometers on our body, which tells a kilometer reading, I think we would have walked till now around 150 kilometers in last 7 or 6 days. We just keep on walking all day, and I think every day we're walking around 30 to 40 kilometers, right?
We also use a raft.
Yeah. We'll show you the raft which these people have made, and we are using this for
just to travel across the river.
Yeah, and just full of while. Huh?
ਇਹ ਹਰੀਕੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਬਾਦਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਘੜੁੱਕਾ ਹੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੈਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ।
ਕਈ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ।
ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ ਕਈ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ 12 ਕਰੋੜ ਦਾ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਬੰਦਾ ਬੈਠ ਸਕਦਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। 2 ਬੰਦੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਬਸ, ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ।
ਪਰ ਇਹ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ There are 2 rafts actually, and each raft takes you to the place and where you see. And the amazing point is, we know tiger is roaming around us, leopards are there, elephants are there. They are free ranging animals and they are all over our place, and we could hear their roars, and it's amazing experience. Being a tiger biologist, or I was working with tigers. Me and Yadinder had also worked on the man-eater leopards in Uttarakhand and Punjab, but we never had such a nice bonding between us and nature. We always had troubles, but this time the shoot went so superb and everything was fine. Actually, I'm the one who does all the talking. Yad talk less in front of camera. He's always behind the camera. You should talk something, bro.
ओ भाई आ गया महेश, है ना?
Hey Mahesh, Mukesh.
Mahesh or Mukesh? There is a guy Mukesh who
Let's run.
He's a
for the
guide.
tigers. Let's run if we could.
actually he is a guide. Actually he is a guide. He always takes us to the wild in raft. I will show you the raft.
No. On this is. Let's meet those people. Come around.